Hello, it's Bloody Good Run. You joined me on a midweek. Well, it's not even midweek anymore. Thankfully, it's a Thursday actually. Oh, that's exciting. Weekend in 2 days. Wow, what a rambly start. Yeah, so you joined me. I'm going to do a coast path run from Newport out towards, I think, Abbott Forest. I think I'm going to go to, and then possibly up through a little trail that heads towards a Sorry, I bumped the mic. Bumped the cameraman. Heads up towards a waterfall, and then a tiny little road section, and then back down onto the coast path again. So, don't know how far it's going to be. I haven't actually decided yet. I'm going to very much just wing it. But yeah, we'll see you in the next clip. Goodbye. What a glorious evening. Ooh. Anyway, yeah. Sorry, just trying to get my breath back. So yeah, this is part of the Pembrokeshire Coastal Path. Biasedly, I'd say it's the nicest stretch, but I would also argue the hell with myself over that statement. In terms of view, it is out of this world. We are coming round the headland where we're about to see or come into view with Aberyggian, which is, I think, one of my favourite swimming spots in the summer, mainly because there's a bit of a walk to it, so it tends to be quite quiet. Watch me say that now, watch it be packed when we run through it now. Not packed, but there are actually people on it. I can only apologise, I haven't really been able to talk much so far. The hills, Wigan Hills, the climbs are so brutal when they come around. And my heart rate just recovers in time for the next one. As I say, oh, that's a killer.
It's worth it for the view. So that is Cwm Eglwys there, and that is Pen Dinas, or Dinas Head. And that's where I've come from. So like I said, yeah, I've struggled to get my breathing back under control on this one. So talking has been practically non-existent, and I do apologise for that. But I hope everybody's had a good week. I am currently 2 weeks out from my first race of the year, which is the Preseli Beast Bar, which I highly recommend people if they want to delve their toes into foul running, as I think it is generally one race I think I will do forever. This is just the most sort of community feeling race I've ever done. But yeah, so I'm trying to get a bit of trail running under my legs in preparation for that. So this headland that I'm currently running around brings us into Aber Forest, which is a private beach with access to the footpath. I find the concept of private beaches quite sort of, I don't know, I don't particularly like them. I think it's sort of, nature shouldn't be sort of ringed off almost. Although if I owned one of those places with that beach, I would probably be firmly of the belief that it should be privately owned. There are double standards there. Considering I am 36 years old, I don't think I've ever been on this path. Or if I have, it would have been when I was so young, I don't remember it. Oh God, nearly went arse of a take then. Nearly did again. Let's walk for a sec. I won't lie, right now I kind of wish that I brought a towel with me, because I would love to dunk my head under that. Anyway, onwards. No idea where I'm going. I think it's this way. Sorry, this might be the least rambly run I've done for a long time. Although I think the last, if I can work out how my release schedule is going to work, I think the last run I will have filmed, although I might have to double check it, would have been my inadvertent, accidental barefoot 5k. And as much as I oddly sort of enjoyed it, like I said at the time, I'm not in a mad rush to do that again. So I don't think long term, in terms of wanting to run for years, I don't know if that's going to be great for longevity. Although it's really good to sort of drill good form, because I had no aches after that. And you'd imagine if there was going to be any issues with form, that is where it would have been shown. Apologies, I'm on a little walking break, mainly because I also need to check to see if I'm still heading in the right direction, because like I said, I've literally never done this trail. That's a pleasant surprise. I didn't remember that there was a pavement here, although just looking ahead it does finish quite quickly. Hopefully we're not going to be on this for long. Just as I get to the top of this little brow, I'll be crossing and dropping back down onto the pavement, onto the coast path. I'm going to have to concentrate quite hard on this descent. That's it. Quite loose and steep. As I said, nearly went. Like I said, this is how a Brigam usually is. Not a single person. for one of the last descents of the run, or one of the techie ones anyway. Yeah, put it back in the foot. Just try not to snap and go right at the end. Oh, so that was actually 10 mile in the end then. Sun's out, guns out. Trying to get some sort of tan that isn't purely farmer based. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching that. It was really not rambly, so I'm hoping the views will have made up for it. Made myself dizzy with that one. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be great if you could like, subscribe, all that fun business. Yeah, thank you for everybody that does continue to watch us. You're also sort of reaffirming. It's great. It's a lovely community, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. To the belly.